Nice. Nice. So I've already had my welcome back, man. Wanna go on with it. Welcome back to another episode, another vlog, another adventure, another cooking video. Just welcome back. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. It's Friday, people, and as you guys can see, today is not that clear. I started a video yesterday, and due to how the rain was falling and thing, I didn't even bother to cook yesterday evening, but I started a video yesterday morning, which probably will insert that clip somewhere here. Welcome back to our next one, man. Big up on yourself, people. Yeah, man. As you can see right now, I'm showing you what I'm going. I have never shown you guys a view and you can see the clear blue skies. People, just imagine what I'm going right now in a western Jamaica. I'm not sure about anywhere else. I haven't really left my yard and I don't see anybody. For this morning, I think I'm just gonna run a little bit of a little porridge this morning. That's what I'm feeling for. Yeah, man, some cornmeal porridge. A lot of people don't like straight cornmeal porridge. They will actually try to mix the cornmeal with oats or maybe green plantain or green banana or something. Yeah, man, so just I light up my stove now to get on a pot with some water to start making my porridge. I mean, I'm not gonna make that much, so I don't need that big of a pot. Understand? That is it. So, pot on. I'm gonna get a little plate, a little bowl, which I already have here. I'm gonna add some water to this, and I'm gonna mix out my cornmeal in that water before I add it to this. Right? Yeah. Alright, so there are a certain key ingredients which needs to be added to cornmeal porridge. Like you need a pinch of salt in that. See, now you can choose where and how you add the salt. Just make sure there's the salt in there. So you add in the water now. A little bit of salt. And I have some of the leaf, the pimento leaf. The pimento leaf is a nice, makes a nice flavor for porridge people. So yeah, man, I have some dried pimento leaf in my bag, so I'm actually gonna get a few. And if you have cinnamon sticks, you can add your cinnamon sticks as well. When I have no cinnamon stick, you have cinnamon powder right now. I always have cinnamon stick, but I don't have any right at this moment, so I'll use what I have. But I'm just washing off these pimento leaves. Yeah, man, the pimento leaf gives a great flavor as well. Now, you can choose whether or not to add your vanilla extract last. I always tend to just season up the water and just mix in the cornmeal. So, a little bit of vanilla extract. I also have a little bit of almond flavor. A lot of people even use rose water. I use it before. I just don't have any at the moment, so that's fine. All right, so I have some cinnamon sugar. I'm just gonna go in with about a spoonful of this. That was half. That's next half. Yes, that is it. Now I can just mix out my cornmeal and add it. A lot of people even add flour as a thickening agent. People, you're going to come on to Jamaicans and porridge. You can't study the Jamaicans and porridge. People go always have their own way of making things, especially porridge, because a lot of people will probably don't like the taste of cinnamon, they'll not add it. Some people will, you know, it's gonna be vice versa. So almost in every home, you will find some people adding or taking out of the porridge. They're just adding based on the things that them like. And you can't beat nobody on that. So the greatest thing, the cornmeal I got in there, it's gonna be cornmeal porridge. Yeah, that is it. That is the greatest thing. So all you have to do is just add some water to your bowl, then add in a desired amount of cornmeal, and you just want to mix that out so that you can get out all of the lumps. So me have the water here with some cornmeal, and I'm just giving that a stir. I'm going to wait till the water in the pot come to a boil before I add this. You know people right now, older than me, we can't make porridge, you know. And it's no shame. I mean, there are things in the world that I can't do, which I see them doing as well, so there's no shame in it. And with them, let me light the other stove. This is a classic in Jamaica. This is a Sunday morning classic. Boiled eggs and porridge. Doesn't have to be cornmeal porridge. As long as it's paired with some boiled eggs. If you know. Them things are real classical Jamaican breakfast. Alright, I have a next pot on the stove next to this with 2 eggs. As soon as this thing comes to a boil, I'm going to stir in my cornmeal. Yes, I always tend to add them first so that everything can actually, all of the flavors and everything can, you know, release in this water now and I'm ready to wait. Yes. That is the way. That is the way. Now when it comes on to porridge, you have a lot of people which rather their porridge to be sweetened with sugar. A lot of people don't really like milk. I just rather the taste of the Lasco in it. So I'll just dish out a bowl and just sweeten it with Lasco. Maybe I'll add a little bit of sugar to it. I don't really like sweet food that much, so you won't find in me using strictly sugar to sweeten my porridge. But for this porridge this morning, I'm going with a little bit of twist just to make everything nicer. So watch out over now. This water has already come to a boil. I'm just going to go in with all of this. What you want to do now is just continue to stir. That's all. You will feel it start to get thicker as everything starts to come back over to a boil, because remember we just added the water and the cornmeal, so yeah. Just have to continue stirring. See that? It's already getting a bit thicker. Maybe by the next minute I can stop stirring this. If you don't stir it, you'll find your porridge having a whole lot of lumps.
as I say, everybody tend to make porridge a different way, but the most important thing is as long as everything is in there and it comes to a proper boil and the cornmeal is cooked, then the porridge will taste the same way. I don't see how adding something first or last in something like porridge can affect how the porridge tastes, because everything is still in there. So when I added the cinnamon, no, it is still in there. You see that, people? It's already getting thick. I'm gonna drink water with porridge. I don't want my porridge to look like it water down. And I don't want my porridge to look like cornmeal pudding. It just needs a nice consistency. That's all. As soon as my porridge is thick enough, I'm just gonna reduce the flame and let my cornmeal cook before I add some lasco and maybe a little bit of sugar and things to sweeten this. You see that? Nice consistency. I just need to continue stirring this. You see that? No lumps, no bricks, no nothing. You see? Nice and silky. That's what you get when you continue stirring this. That's all you need to do. So when you make porridge and the porridge come out lumpy, now you know what to do. Cut that out. See that? Nice and lovely. I will drink porridge in a people, but it's not my favorite. Porridge is definitely not a favorite. I don't know why. I'm used to like porridge, but maybe somewhere along I maybe have too much. We have peanut and stuff right now to make some porridge, but guess what? I also have some banana right now which may be getting a bit overripe soon. So guess what happened? Maybe later today I'll do a little punch, a little strong back with them banana here. Go get some oats and some, yeah, you know the works. Alright, so this already start coming to a boil. Let me just reduce the flame much. Always do this. I always do that. So what happens is on the low settings, my porridge, my flames is a bit still high. So what I normally do is turn it the opposite way. If I'm gonna turn it off and gauge it. That's one of the reasons why I have the stove plug out. I keep this stove unplugged because the igniter always seems to it's trying to ignite when I'm trying to gauge the stove at a low flame. You know? Yeah. Alright. I have a little bit of coconut milk in the fridge. I'm gonna get that under the pipe to see if I can melt out enough. I don't remember if I have any rosemary. Rosemary nice in a porridge too, guys. No, I don't have any rosemary. I'm out on rosemary. Anyways, I'm just gonna let this take its own at a time and cook just like that. You see those small little bubbles? Yeah. I don't need nothing more than that. I'm gonna give it about maybe about 5 to 8 minutes. Just lock it down and make it cook. That's all. Yeah man, so in the meantime, you thaw out the coconut milk and mix it up with the lasco and add it to this. You understand? So dig up on yourself. Soon show you the works. Nice. Nice. I've already had my I have my Lasco and the coconut milk mixed out in a bowl right here. So now I'm just gonna go in with it. The man and the Lasco make it look so thick. Now all I have to do again is just stir this. This is how my son like it, so I have gotten to keep on making it this way till me eventually gonna start like it as well. I'm not seeing white Lasco again, people. When last you guys see that white Lasco, the one in the red and silver little pack, you now see that Lasco again. That white Lasco used to make porridge bad, you know. See that, guys? Nice consistency. And with this now, we can pair this with a little bread. I have my boiled egg over this, so I'll go and boil the same way. You can pair this with some egg or here, bread. Or some tough crackers. Even water crackers can use as well. Yeah, man. So, let me go get some nutmeg from grater. And that will just top it off. Where is the nutmeg? Now tell me some other nutmeg, guys. No bother with it. If you ever see a little piece of nutmeg when I house, can't believe. I mean, I cook every day and I got sure. Alright, greater. Find 2 little baby pieces of nutmeg. I mean, I could just make them work. I don't have a choice. I don't have anything else. Watch out. 2 little pieces of nutmeg. I have 1 big piece, I want just broke off. This not work at all. Can't believe I'm out of nutmeg star, but this have to work, you know, so. So small, I can't even get a grip. If I knew that this was what I had, I'd show in the bullet blender and turn it in a dozen, but man. Alright. Let me just get out those 2 big pieces we're falling. One over here and one over here. If I had known, I'd just throw it in the bullet. Alright, so let us give this the next 5 minutes and then turn it off. My mom cook porridge with butter. I don't have the butter that I want to use in this right now, so I'm not gonna add the pound butter that I have. I don't like pound but the taste of pound butter. But if I had chiffon or margarine or something else, one of them flavorful butter, I definitely add a piece to it. And believe me, guys, it makes it so silky and nice. Yeah, man. Me do that already and people see and they're like, what? Butter going in porridge? And when them taste it, man, couldn't believe. Yeah? So, what about this? same bowl because as much as you see the amount of porridge in the pot, I am not a fan. So you just go have this one little bowl and I'm good. Over here, so now we have 2 eggs still that go and boil. Yeah, but that's not the main topic of the day. The porridge is. Oh, I don't know how to boil egg. I don't need to show you how to boil egg. I don't know about that way. Upset me. Chat boat. As you can tell, porridge done. Now share out for me, but guess what? To the least of my concern, I didn't even realize that the video never turned out. Yeah man, so this is how I'll be having my just some boiled eggs and porridge in the morning. Yeah man, my people. Said badness come down, man. Big up yourself, Father God. You make the next one possible. If you don't want, you can check me, you know. See there, everything there, man. That is it. Alright, now dig me out to dig in, people, cause so what say? If you video some of my food and tell people a pure steam and come off of this. Yeah man, cornmeal porridge. Most people that say it fresh, cause me not add no sugar. It's perfect. Yeah man, big up on yourself. How I eat porridge with crackers, same how I have it on the spoon, but guess what? You have to just bite it. Just like that. And you go in with the other piece. A lot of people will just put them in the porridge and make them get soft and you know, will absorb a lot of the porridge, but I like crunchy food. So why would I do that with the crackers? Brain food. Just like that.